Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'll be sharing few interesting tricks and hidden features of Windows 10 that every user must know. So let's get started. And the first one is how to access emojis. We all use emojis while typing a text on our phones to express our emotions. When it comes to PC or laptop, you can just right click on the taskbar and select Show Touch Keyboard button. Through this keyboard, you can directly access the emojis. And there's the one more method where you can just press Windows key and semicolon to access these emojis. And the next one is how to change size and color of the mouse pointer. To change this setting, go to your search bar and just type mouse settings. Here, click on adjust mouse and cursor size. Just drag to increase or decrease your cursor size. And here, you can customize your pointer color by choosing one of these colors. And the next one is some of the hidden features of our inbuilt calculator. Just open your calculator. Click on this navigation button. Here you can find different types of calculators and converters other than the standard calculator. And the next trick is how to record your game screen when you're playing games. To record, just go to your search bar and type Xbox Game Bar and click on that. And here you can see all the recording options and start recording. You can even mute or on this microphone and record your background voices when you are recording your videos. You can even capture your screenshots by clicking on this camera icon. After recording, these videos are automatically saved in the videos folder. This Xbox Game Bar is an inbuilt software which is used to record games and other browser windows without installing any screen recording software. And the last trick is how to preview files without opening it completely. When you have more number of files and images, instead of closing and opening each one of them, you can just press Alt P and see the preview of the file. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment below which one of the trick you felt interesting. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. Stay safe, stay awesome.